Hi, I'm Chris O'Connor with A1 Affordable Garage Door Services, and I want to invite you to our FanFest 2015. We're really excited to help support the Single Parent Foundation. That's what we're doing, raising awareness and raising funds for them. It's a family event where everyone can have fun. We have 2 Dallas Cowboys players coming to sign autographs. We've got a bowling alley, we've got RC cars, we've got music, dance, we've got bands, food. What more could you ask for? So come on out to our FanFest 2015.